Attention all 3D printing enthusiasts! Are you looking to take your vase designs to the next level? Look no further, because I've got some top-notch tips to help you create stunning, functional vases that will have your friends and family in awe. First and foremost, let's talk about wall thickness. When it comes to 3D printed vases, the wall thickness is crucial. You want to strike the perfect balance, too thin, and your vase might be prone to cracking or warping, but too thick, and you'll end up with a heavy, clunky piece. Aim for a wall thickness between 1.5 and 3 mm, depending on the size and shape of your design. Next, let's dive into the world of infill. Infill is the internal structure that supports the outer walls of your vase. For best results, try using a lightweight infill pattern, such as a honeycomb or grid design. This will not only save on filament usage, but it will also help to reduce the overall weight of your vase, making it easier to transport and display. Speaking of infill, don't forget to consider the infill percentage as well. A higher infill percentage will result in a sturdier vase, but it will also increase the printing time and filament consumption. Start with a 20 to 30% infill and adjust as needed based on your design and the intended use of your vase. Now, let's talk about layer height. You might be tempted to go for a superfine layer height to achieve a smooth, professional-looking finish, but keep in mind that this can also significantly increase your print time. Instead, try experimenting with a slightly higher layer height, around 0.2 to 0.3 mm. This can often provide a great balance between print quality and efficiency. And finally, let's not forget about the importance of surface finishing. After your vase is printed, you might want to consider sanding, polishing, or even painting it to achieve the perfect look. This extra step can really make your vase stand out, transforming it from a simple 3D printed object into a true work of art. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate tips for creating stunning, functional 3D printed vases. Now, it's time to put these techniques into practice and start designing your own one-of-a-kind masterpieces. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for even more 3D printing inspiration and tutorials. Who knows, you might just find the perfect project to kickstart your next vase-making adventure.